Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming to you here. We are in Eureka Park at CES 2019. You can see up here, we're at the French tech section. They have a giant section that's pretty amazing here. And I'm here with AJI Digital?
Yeah, AJI Digital.
AJI Digital. I always want to call it AJI. You can see it behind my head there. And you can see these guys, they're at booth 559, I think?
Yes, -6, yes, in the French chat.
And go ahead and give me your name.
I'm Stéphane Valcoda, and I'm the CEO of AJI Digital.
All right. So we got a chance to interview on the podcast, the Chris Voss Show. So if you didn't get a chance, go to the Chris Voss Show podcast on iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, or iHeartRadio, and listen to the full episode that we had there. And of course, we're going to get a chance to walk around their booth and see all the cool tech that they have here. So let's see what you've got.
So this is our offer. You see a totem. It's 55-inch, and here we have designed a wall for retail. So you can see there is some tile that move, etc., to make attractive. You have a video here. You can push it.
These are all giant touchscreen displays.
So here we have pushed a gallery of photo image. You can make some stitch. If you like something, you can swipe. Here we have a range of products. You can look at your product. You can have things drop, and
wow.
This was some kind of experience.
It's like a giant iPhone.
Yes, it's a giant iPhone, and look here. It's a stitch. You can make it here. You can have a look. This is something to show that we can do a range of products, etc. But we have, and it's multi-language, so you can switch from one language to another one. But I will show you something else. We have a lot of wool, and there is one of the wool is about car dealer. There is no Wi-Fi, okay. But we can have a look if you want during the loading to the other device.
So what you guys do is you guys make these giant displays that can be used in B2B commercial type sort of settings, and they can advertise all sorts of stuff, and they can literally program these displays with an app on their phone, correct?
Yeah, the strength of our offer is really to have a platform with ready-to-use template, ready-to-use components, and you can very easily create your wall in 5 minutes. And there is a WYSIWYG editor which allow you with some theme to customize the design. So you can customize the behavior and you can customize the design. So here I just want to show you this one because there is some 3D. We have a 3D platform. So you can look here. You can have the car that slide. And if I go, I have my catalog and I have this one. And in this one, I have pushed a 3D model. And you can see that you can show the 3D. So it could be a car, it could be a house, it could be whatever you want. And there is 3D with it. So it's the same. You have a filter. Well, it's a catalog, but the 3D. I wanted to show the 3D. And
nice.
There is another wall here.
And you make these in different sizes and shapes.
It could be portrait, it could be landscape, and we have also the interactive table.
And then you have those in indoor and outdoor, right?
Yes. We have the two devices.
Let's go ahead
and this one is an interactive table, and we have created a use case for estate agency, so they can push some of their house. You see there is some animation. You can here interact and show photo. You can tap, you can swipe. It's a big iPhone or big Android, and you can have a map. You can make some pinch. You can say, oh, I want to see this one. If the user like it, you have the QR code and you can take it on your phone. And for sure, you've got the search and you can search things. So this is an experience. After we have a lot of use cases, we are creating also interaction with RFID. There is no limit because the platform is completely generic.
Wow. And so they can. I mean, you got houses here where they can be on display.
So here, if you take this one, when we have created, we have in our platform, this is what we call an interface. And this interface, it says, I have image, title, description, price, other media. And if you want to make suite, you just create a suite data object. We have a model generator, and you say that for the suite, this image will be this property, this title, this, etc. And suddenly it became a suite. In the design, in the same, you say, I don't want gold, I want it pink, and go, and all the components will be pink, and it will work. And you have your wall.
And you can control it all from your mobile phone. You can program it all and everything. That's pretty darn amazing. So where can we see this on the interweb?
We have a website which is AJI.digital. We have just updated, but it's not. It presents the offer,
cool.
And we have some documents, and this is it. And we have in France we have a network of resellers, and we actually in US we have quite good contact for now, so we will see.
Cool. So they can come down to the French Tech section in Eureka Park at CES 2019. And come to booth 559, I think it is?
Yes, that's it.
Yep, and talk to these guys. Check out this technology. It's really cool. It's basically like having a giant phone. So it's pretty neat that way. And it's the future. I mean, we talked on my podcast about static displays, where it's just a dead display and people walk by it and make decisions. Maybe they wander into a store or wander into a restaurant. This way they could actually look at the meals, as they're plated, as they're being prepared. They can see the searing of the steak, and they just don't look at like a dead static menu. It's like, well, that's, I don't know, I can read words, but sometimes seeing that picture and seeing the sizzle makes all the difference.
Yeah, and the key point is the offer with a monthly budget, which is below $200, because to allow it to be accessible to a restaurant, etc., the budget is really important.
Yeah.
And this is the business model we have there.
All right, guys, so be sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, bye.